it's Roxy with Broadway Breakdown, and we're going to break down single, double, triple time steps today. So if you're thinking, I didn't know there was a difference between single, double, triple time steps. Yeah, there's all kind of time steps, but today we're going to break down single, double, triples. If you're in musical theater, I really think it's important to get some tap in you, because I can't think of a show that doesn't have tap. Yeah, no, lame is. It's just, there's no joy in that show, so there wouldn't be tap. I mean, I love Les Mis, but that's a pretty downer show. There's some other shows, yeah, that don't have tap. But anyway, there's a lot of shows that do. And not just the obvious ones like 42nd Street and Crazy for You and Anything Goes. But, I mean, a lot of the current shows today. Mean Girls had a tap break in it. Something Rotten. SpongeBob SquarePants, Aladdin. I mean, there's a lot of shows that have tap breaks. Spamalot. I mean, now they're just coming to me, but you get the picture. Tap's really important if you're in musical theater, and it's fun, you know. So I hope very soon we're all back with our friends, doing theater, going to shows, planning what musical we're gonna do next if you're a director or choreographer. And just, you know, if you're a performer, dusting off that resume and getting back in there. I really do. I hope very soon we're all getting back into theater. So let's do something fun today. Let's learn these time steps. Let's break it down. You will be found. Seize the day. Come from away. We've got magic to do. I just want to dance with you. Such a theater nerd. But if you knew all those references, you're one too, and I'm in good company. So let's get to it. All right. Starting off with a single. Now, I'm just going to do the rhythm because I like to know where I'm going in tap. If I hear a rhythm, then I'm like, okay, I know where I'm going. So a single is just... That's it. So you're going to start off with a stomp, hop, step, lap, step, stomp. Now that stomp is the beginning of your next one. So you just did the stomp, hop, step, lap, step, stomp. Now that lap, step, stomp in the middle there, that's in all of them, single, double, triple. So let's just practice that little lap, step, stomp a couple of times. Lap, step, stomp. Lap, step, stomp. Lap, step, stomp. Lap, step, stomp. Other foot. Lap, step, stomp. Lap, step, stomp. Lap, step, stomp. Okay? Lap, step, stomp. Little change of weight, but just once you have that part down, I think everything else in the time steps just, I find when I teach that, that's kind of the part that kind of comes under you a little bit. And then that little bit of rhythm is, you know, once you kind of get that in your head, other things start to fall into place. So you've just done stomp, hop, step, lap, step, stomp, hop, step, lap, step, stomp, hop, step, lap, step, stomp. That's all there is to a single time step. You got that down? You can do them anywhere. Standing in line in a restaurant, wherever the mood comes to you, you can know it's a single time step. You can add show arms. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, step, lap, step, stomp, hop, step, lap, step, stomp, hop, step, lap, step, stomp. Okay? And once you get going fast, that hop tends to turn into more of a heel drop. Because when you start really going fast, you don't, you know, it's just faster. It's just to go, you know, so you're not just flying about. All right, so the double now, you're going to add a little brush in there. Okay? And that's, some people may think of it as 2 flaps in a row. I when I was taught moons ago, they said brush, the timing of it was a brush, so nothing changing me now. But that's, I mean, you know, however you want to think about it. All right, so it's stomp, hop, brush, step, full lap, step, 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 stomp. Okay, keep it under you, tight. It'll be better to get those two little quick brushes, flaps, however you want to think about it. I think the double is more complicated than the single or the triple for some reason. That's just in my head, but now I don't want to put that in your head. So you do you. You rock it however you want. All right, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, brush, step, full lap, step, 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 stomp. That's all there is to a double. You've taken the single, you've just added a little quick brush before you do the full lap, step, stomp. Stomp, hop, brush, step, full lap, step, 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 stomp. That's it. Now to do the triple, which I think this is the one everybody thinks of when they hear, you know, think of time step, classic time step. This is the one everybody may know or thinks of. You're just adding a shuffle. A little brush in there. It's just a brush, 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 brush. That's all a shuffle is. So, taking out the brush, the quick brush, now you're doing basically the brush to the side, a shuffle. So, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, full lap, step, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, full lap, step, stomp. Whoops, missed that. Okay, everybody has a dominant side and tap. I think, you know, whether it be turns or kicks or tap, everybody has a dominant side. I know I do. So, going back, stomp, hop, shuffle, step, full lap, step, 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 stomp. Okay? We're gonna, I also think tap's a little bit harder the slower you do it. I think once you get that rhythm, start getting muscle memory, and the rhythm just takes you, and it's easier to go faster. So we're gonna do 4, we're gonna build up, and we're just gonna kind of let the rhythm take us. All right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step, full lap, step, 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 stomp. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, I think I got a little faster. I jumped into those heel drops. I wasn't doing so much of the bouncy thing. I got a little quicker. Okay, so that's what I mean. The faster you want to go, you can just, it's faster if you just want to put the heel drop in. And that's it. You have your singles. You have your doubles. And you have your triples. single, double, triple time steps broken down. All right? Until the next time, until the next video, there'll be others. They won't all have to do with tap. It's just breaking down musical theater, breaking down Broadway stuff. I'll see you later. I'm going to ease on down the road. I could not help myself. All right. See you later.